Hello, lovely people. Welcome or welcome back again to my channel. Hope you all are doing wonderfully well. I'm so glad to come your way again. In today's video, we are making coconut ice cream. This ice cream turned out so nice and yummy as well. So guys, let's go and make it. Over here, I have my matured coconut, which I have already removed from the shell, and I'll just go ahead and remove the back. So removing the back is optional. You can just leave it like that. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, hello, my name is Gertrude and you are welcome to this channel. Please don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a video. Alright guys, so after removing the back of the coconut, I'll just go ahead and wash them all together. Okay fam, so at this point I went ahead to grate the coconut meat, and you can also cut them into pieces if that is what you prefer. For me, I prefer to grate them before blending the coconut. So after grating, this is what I had. I will just go ahead and then put this in the blender, add some water and blend them together. Okay guys, so moving forward, I'll use my white lining. If you have a cheesecloth, you can also use it to extract the milk. And I would just want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Oh guys, I do appreciate all your precious time and God bless you all. To my returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Welcome to this wonderful family. So after everything, this is our coconut milk. I will then go ahead to put this on the fire, and I will add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'll just mix until it thickens up a little. Then I'll just take it off from the fire. Are you still watching up to this time? If you are, thank you so much guys, and please don't forget to like this video, also share this video to reach more people. We are on all social media networks: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the name is Getty. It is free to subscribe. So after some time on the fire, it has really taken up, and I'll just take it off. I will add my powdered milk and also go in with my half cup of evaporated milk. I will then mix everything together. Next is to go in with my condensed milk. So I'm using 1 cup of condensed milk. I will also go in with 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and also pineapple essence. I will then mix everything together. Okay, lovelies. So this is our creamy ice cream mixture. This looks so creamy, and I went ahead to scoop some aside and then add red food color. So I mix them together to get this beautiful pink or red color. So now we have our pink ice cream mixture and that of the white one. And I went ahead to tie this in this carrot rubber. You can serve this in your cups or any ice cream mold of your choice. So tying this ice cream in this carrot rubber was a little bit difficult. I think it was because the rubber was so short, that is why. But at the end, I managed to tie everything in this rubber because that is what I wanted to use for this coconut ice cream. So after tying everything, this is our ice cream, and I'm going to put this in the freezer for overnight. So after the next day, this is the final result of our coconut ice cream. This came out so perfect, nice, yummy and delicious. I hope you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and also share this video. See you in my next one.